Hey everybody, it's Marcy, and guess what? I got 15 of my journals made. All of them but one are packaged and ready to go, and so I'm going to move them off to the side, and I thought I'd do a quick flip through with you. They're all different, but pretty much the same basic thing. I just very simply, I don't remember what I told you, but I put some fabric down, ran stitching around, did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Here I had some book plates from Shabby Dabby Doodah that I had printed out. Some of them say notes, some of them say journal. And I made a jute twine closure for all of them. Then we've got the inside front pocket with a journal card in it. And like I said, they're very simple. They're not overly embellished. Here I had done some stamped images, and I just stamped them onto copy dyed paper, tore around them so I could glue them in. Got a little tuck spot on this side with a recipe card from the paper pad I was using. Here's my envelope ensemble. On this side, I've just got a couple of cards tucked in. Here we've got a flip out with plenty of journaling space and a little note card tucked inside. Here I just put my embellishment through the bulb pen through a piece of fabric and then glued that down. Little tag floats. Used washi tape. Some writing papers. Here I just made a little tuck spot with a piece of fabric and a butterfly and put a piece of note paper in there. It says today, tomorrow, and eventually. Here I've got my little corner tuck with one of my mason jars in it. And here I have my book page pocket with a couple of tags or a couple of tickets, I'm sorry, and a tag. Here's another stamped image. Some more washi tape and a stamped image. I put washi tape on the masking paper just to give it a little more strength at the edges. Here I made another little fabric tuck with a dictionary word on it and just a piece of note paper tucked in there. Got belly band with a journal card. And here's another little stamped fox. And a little card that I glued down here with some journaling space. The other side of a magazine page. And my embossed and gold tag in the back. So just that simple. I'm pretty pleased with the way these came out. Like I said, I don't think I would try to do this many at one time again. If I needed to do 15 journals, I'd probably break it up into 3 groups of 5. But by the time I had decided I wanted to do this, I knew I had a deadline and I didn't want time to get away from me. So then, these are just going into little cellophane bags, and they are ready to go. So that's it for this video, guys. Just a short one. I just wanted to show you that I did get them done and I'm ready to deliver them. So until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.